Welcome back to 7 at 4. Okay, we hear it all the time. Too much sugar and too much salt in our diets, and it can lead to actually major health problems. So what are some healthier ways to cook meals that still taste good? See, that's the key. Do they still taste good? So we have brought in an expert. I'm here with Dr. Meena, and she is the author of the Indian Food Diet to learn more healthy and flavorful Indian food recipes that you can try at home. Welcome to the show, Dr. Meena.
Namaste. I am so happy to be here today.
Yes.
You know, May is the month of high blood pressure education and stroke awareness.
I did not know that.
Stroke is one of the top 5 causes of death in America. And high blood pressure is the top reason why we get the stroke.
Yeah.
We get high blood pressure because we have too much salt and the sugar in our diet. That's what makes us big and raises the blood pressure.
Yes.
So we use salt and sugar, to be honest. Because
a lot of it.
Yes, a lot of it, because we want the food to taste good.
Right.
But how about we learn another way how we can make our food taste good without adding all that salt and sugar?
Now, is that what inspired you to share these recipes, Dr. Meena? Just
Indeed.
Yeah.
I've been sharing that with teaching my patients all along, and I said, why not everyone?
Yeah.
Why not we share it with the community?
Well, thank you so much. So tell us what we're making here today.
So we are making one of my favorite dish today, which is pulao with raita. This dish saved my husband and brought him from being a heart patient to running a marathon.
Wow.
Brad Pitt loves it, Lady Gaga loves it, Tom Cruise loves it, and so should you.
Okay, well, if Lady Gaga's on board, let's see what we got here. Now, you're talking spices today, too. These are important for the flavor, I would assume.
Indeed, yes, of course. So these are the few spices which we are going to use. And the key thing is you take a skillet and put some ghee on.
Okay.
Ghee is a healthy fat, which is loaded with fat-soluble vitamins. And we are going to saute all these spices in there.
This is the ghee on that you're talking about here.
This is the ghee. We are going to put some cinnamon in it, which helps us control the blood sugar.
Okay.
We are going to put some cumin in it, which is really good for the digestion, and it's loaded with iron.
Oh, I love cumin. It's so good on anything, really.
And yes, of course. And the bay leaves, which are rich in magnesium, and keeps the headaches away.
Oh.
We'll put some cloves, which have antibacterial properties and really good for your oral hygiene.
Okay.
And then is the super spice turmeric, which is anti-inflammatory and keeps all the aches and pains and inflammation away.
We like that.
The black pepper, you know, enhances the absorption of turmeric.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, and we can add some saffron, which is the super spice, which is loaded with antioxidants, bring your blood pressure down and make the circulation flowing.
Okay, so Dr. Meena, you have also brought some food with you today. So let's talk about what this is and how you were making this dish that you said saved your husband.
Yes.
Let's talk about that.
So as these spices get sauteed in the ghee for maybe a minute or two, we are going to put all these fresh vegetables in it. You can buy them whole and cut them, or buy them pre-cut, frozen, doesn't matter. Everything works.
Okay.
Put them in the mix and let them saute for a few minutes. They're loaded with phytonutrients, which keeps the cancer away.
And that's obviously somebody you know has been affected by cancer. So some of the veggies you have here, just so you guys know, are zucchini noodles. We have bell peppers, green, red, yellow, onion, and you also have some
carrots and broccoli.
Broccoli, okay.
Yes. Now we have rice.
Okay.
So everyone thinks rice is a staple dish in many parts of the world, but we think all the myths about the rice will be broken today.
Carbs.
You know, we think it makes us fat, which cannot be further away from truth.
Wow.
Because if you choose the right kind of rice, it doesn't make you fat.
So what's the right kind?
Yes. That is the basmati rice.
Basmati rice.
It's a kind of rice which doesn't spike your sugar as much as the other breeds of rice do.
Okay.
And you can buy it in all grocery stores.
Because most people would think it's brown rice.
It is the basmati rice.
Okay.
And white and brown both will be okay. And another trick is this, that if you cool it, then if you make it like for the week and just leave it in the refrigerator, the rice, the starch changes in a way that it becomes the food for the good bacteria of your colon.
Oh, that's good news.
Bacteria are eating it, so you don't gain any weight on eating this.
All right,
that is loaded with prebiotics.
That is good news. Now, Dr. Meena, we are running out of time here. So once you saute this all together,
and you cook this whole thing for 10 minutes.
Okay.
This is what turns out. Oh,
and it looks amazing.
Pulao.
You caught my attention the moment you walked in with that dish. Okay,
yes,
now
we can serve it with raita, which is a yogurt dip.
Okay, yeah.
Yogurt is loaded with probiotics, and you can squeeze some mint in. Summer is coming, and mint
Yes.
is really cooling and
Very
calming
fresh.
for the stomach.
Yes.
You know, for me, the food has to be spicy.
Yeah.
Satisfying, palatable, interesting, comforting, and enjoyable.
We definitely like some spice around here. Okay, Dr. Meena, thank you so much for joining us here on the show. Very quickly, tell us where people can learn more and find your book.
Yes, so all these things will be coming out in
Okay.
my book, Indian Food Diet, and the book will be out next month.
All right, Dr. Meena, thank you so much for joining us here on 7 at 4.
All
We
right, it was
appreciate
my pleasure.
All right, we'll be right back after this break.